How to change resolution in Marvel Rivals full solution. I'm going to show you how to change the resolution in Marvel Rivals in full solution. First off, open Marvel Rivals from the home screen. You can just click the escape button, then go to settings. You may see that the display mode, aspect ratio, and solution are grayed out. So you just click on frame generation mode. If you have NVIDIA, it will show that instead of AMD like mine. But anyway, you have to turn it off. And once it is off, you will notice that the display mode will be unlocked. So change that to either full screen or windowed. And from there, you can now change the resolution in Marvel Rivals into full solution.